Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you the Emma budgeting app tutorial for beginners. So the app is for managing financial accounts in one place, expense tracking, budgeting tools, and subscription management. So the app offers a free version as well as an upgraded premium version. So today we'll be using the free version. So here we can see when we first sign up for the Emma budgeting app, we have some different options. So we can use it for all of these options. So paying friends and family, grow my credit score, budget and track spending, grow my savings, etc. So go ahead and click which one you want to do. You can only click one, and they will want to connect to your bank account. So do that also. So I can see here they have a list of all the bank accounts. So go ahead and do that. This will bring you to your bank homepage. So go ahead and connect it. So Emma manages multiple accounts. So go ahead and add all of your bank accounts here. However, I am just adding one bank account. So here they will integrate and process your account into Emma for you, gather all the information, analyze the account, etc. And then hopefully all the information has been inputted in here. They offer a 7-day free trial, so go ahead and do that. Select one of these. Both of these are free, so go ahead and try that. So here are some options. So we can build a credit with the top 3 agencies, take advantage of better products, unlimited bank connections, custom categories, and offline accounts, save automatically without fees, protect your online identity, etc. So let's get started. So once you've connected your bank account and subscription, you can do a free one if you want. You don't need to do it, but it will give you some running throughs. So on your feed, this is where you'll find all the information about your linked accounts, everyday accounts, add accounts there. Transactions will all be on the see all. Budgeting section will help you set up total budgeting, your monthly income versus spending, recurring payments, save and earn. So yeah, they have a lot of features here. So on the feed page, they have all of this information. So it will be split up into different ways. So net worth every day. So if you click on here, we can see all the information regarding that. Here we can go on to view transactions and see all of the transactions. And we can filter them from here, filter the different accounts, etc. And also we can export transactions to Google Sheets or manual ones. And here we can delete and edit any transactions. So here we have the analytics window. So go ahead and set up analytics. And here we select a period in which it will begin so that data can be analyzed from that specific point. And as you can see, all of this has been split up into information. And you can see all of your potential bills here. And you can see any unknown ones. So mainly this is just transaction fees, overdraft fees, etc. But it organizes it all in a very good manner here. So here we can further complete setup by you can invest, grow your savings, improve your credit history, etc. So this is all very handy stuff to do. So if you want to add a second bank account, you can go ahead and do that. As you can see, they have a huge list of bank accounts here. So as you can see, I have both my accounts connected here, and it's giving me a much more accurate reading. So here we have the complete setup window. I would recommend going through and completing all of these to get your account fully set up. So here we can create own budgets or auto create budgets. So go ahead and do that. So how much do you want to spend each month? So go ahead and work this out. So maximum I want to spend, I would say, is £600. I will just make this up as we're going along. And then as you can see here, we can go ahead and put in all of the bills. So bills in total will be, press continue when you've done that. Confirm your budget, and here we can select different parameters regarding that. And here you can see all your bills analyzed in depth. And if you click on the save window, we can also set up savings. So you can save automatically without thinking. You just need to put in some proof of identity, address, some information. And here we have the pay window in which we can go ahead and pay people by specific accounts. So if you actually use Emma to pay people, which is very impressive. You can scan QR code or send money to a new payee, so you can go ahead and do that, which is a great feature. I've not seen that before. And you can also create groups, so you can track who owes what for lunch, drink, and household bills, etc. So if you live with flatmates, you can go ahead and use this to create groups and split payments. You can also get friends on Emma. So if you live with, again, housemates, etc., you can add these as friends on Emma and connect your accounts and use it in unison. And we can actually invest on here, which is very cool. So you can go ahead and click investment account, and again, you'll have to provide some proof of identity and address details, tax details, etc. And also we can view your credit history for different things, stuff like that. So yeah, overall, this app is great. I've not seen an app like this that good with all these aspects that we can use. Again, if you click on the top left-hand side corner, you can go ahead here and access your account settings. And yeah, that's the basics on how to use Emma. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.